Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. I salute you. So welcome to my channel today. Thank you, my returning subscribers. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ogonwadi. I do DIYs, I cook, we do talk, lifestyle, travel blog, everything you could think of. This is where it is happening. So click on that subscribe button. Tap on the notification bell to get notified anytime that I upload any video. Alright? So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the healthiest pizza in the whole wide world using cauliflower. Woo! How many of you like that? I'm #1 fan of cauliflower. You eat it with no guilt. So anyways, let me show you what you're going to be needing. So this is the cauliflower. It's been washed and I cut it into florets. I'm going to be using the processor to blend it, not really blend, to crush it to be like a rice flour. If you do not want to use the processor, please go ahead and use the grater and grate it. Still fine. Just make sure it comes to the consistency of a rice. So to that, I have mozzarella cheese. I have 2 eggs. This is going to be my binder. I have half a cup of parmesan cheese. I have cream cheese. I'm just going to use a little bit. It's mixed with the chive and onions. I love it. I have the sauce for the base of the dough. I'm going to be using turkey pepperoni. My kids, they love it so much. Black powder. Just a dash of salt because mozzarella cheese has salt. Red crushed pepper, optional. If you don't like it, skip it. I'm going to be using oregano. I love it. And these are all that. You're going to be needing a parchment paper. I'm using a wax paper because I'm out of parchment paper. Hopefully it works for me. This is my pizza pan. I already put the parchment paper on it. And I need the pan and the spatula. And also you're going to be needing a clean, dry towel to squeeze out the water that you got from the cauliflower. So this is what we're going to do. Throw in the cauliflower. This is easier for me. If you don't have this, like I said, go ahead and do manually by grating it. It is all well and good. So I'm gonna just crush it once and then I'm gonna be pulsing it. You see that? That's fine, but I need it to be, more finely than this. So I'm gonna pulse. And one more. Okay. So I'm gonna be pouring this here and then I'm gonna finish up with this. So now I'm gonna transfer it into the pan. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes before I start making the dough for the pizza. So you're just gonna cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes. Just keep turning it so it doesn't get burned. You don't want it burned, you just want it to be cooked. Cauliflower is ready now. So I'm gonna leave it to cool for 10 minutes because I'm gonna squeeze out the water and it's very hot, so I'm gonna allow it to cool. And then I show you how I use the dry clean towel to squeeze out the water. And then we start with the dough. The cauliflower is ready now. So I'm going to leave it to cool for 10 minutes because I'm going to squeeze out the water and it's very hot, so I'm going to allow it to cool. And then I show you how I use the dry clean towel to squeeze out the water. And then we start with the dough. The cauliflower at least is cold enough. So this is what I need the towel for, the dry clean towel. I'm going to put the cauliflower inside it because I'm going to be squeezing out the remaining liquid in the cauliflower. You just have to try and squeeze out. This was very well cooked, so drain that out most of the water. This is where you need your muscles to drain out all the water. All right, you see, that's all the water that came out. We don't need that anymore. I'm just gonna dry the plate off. Now I'm gonna put this in the bowl where I'm gonna form the dough. You see how it came out? Just like a dough. Cauliflower dough. All right. So now I beat the egg. This is where I'm gonna put just a little salt. Remember, the mozzarella cheese has it's salty on its own. So to this, I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of oregano, like a teaspoon of red crushed pepper. Remember, it's optional if you don't want it. This is where I'm going to be adding my Parmesan cheese. You need a hard cheese, you know, for this. And now, oh, my black pepper, I shouldn't forget that. And like I said, a little bit of cream cheese. I like this one because it have chives and onions, you know, the nice flavor. And then you go ahead and pour the egg. And we give it a good mix. You could use your hand so long as your hand is clean. So, you know, mix it properly. Make sure it's well combined. And this is it. So now I need to move this. I'm going to transfer it to my paper. You need to use a parchment paper, but this is a wax sheet. But let's see how we can do this. And you just try your best to make it a little thin, not too thin. Remember, it's vegetable. Spread it round as much as you can. You know, make it round like a pizza. It might not be too easy, but make sure the edges are not too thin. I'm just trying to make sure I get the pizza shape. Just be patient. We'll get there. I think this should do. So now my oven is preheated at 450. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then the pizza dough will be done. We'll bring it out and we'll start putting our toppings. But for now, let's go ahead and put in the oven in the center rack for 20 minutes. Alright, it's 10 minutes. And here is our pizza. Look at that, guys. Doesn't it look like a real pizza? It's pizza. It's just this vegetable pizza. So you're gonna be needing a pizza cutter, but it is hot. I'm gonna leave it a little bit. Or let me see. Will I be able to? Let's see. Let me see if I could do it professionally. Whoop. Yep. I'm gonna slice it, but I'm gonna let it cool. I don't want to burn my kids' mouth. Just give it that nice pizza cut. Professional pizza. Nice. The pizza is ready. I have 2 slices here, and I have a special guest to try it. So let me know.
Delicious.
You like it? Does it taste like real pizza?
Yeah, like the cauliflower.
Good. So you want me to make more of this? Look at you, look at your mouth. All right.
You guys should try this recipe, please. And also subscribe to my mom's channel.
Thank you. So guys, you hear that? All right, guys. Thank you for joining me in making this world healthiest pizza. Go ahead and try this. Your kids will like it. You as an adult will like it. It's very sweet, delicious, yummy-licious. So, I'll see you next time on my next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button. Share this video. Stay calm. Stay cool. Be kind to everyone. Stay blessed. Bye.